Okay, we put our second coat on our head here. So what we're going to do is sprinkle a little red on here, just to give a little more definition to it. Again, I'm going to use my air gun. Just kind of define it a little bit more, kind of just breaks up that paleness to it. So we'll do that. We'll do that to the hands and the mouth also, and we'll just let it dry, and then we'll be ready to start detailing it out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.